Hello muscle car fans, welcome to Muscle Car Heaven. Follow me.
People should know that it's not just the car, it's what the car represents. That feeling that you can be what you want to be, that you can create yourself and resonate with that power, the Mustang power.
This started out more than 20 years ago as a 4-car garage. Today we have more than 40 muscle cars and classic cars for sale.
We got Mustangs, factory original and custom, Pro Touring muscle cars, MOPARs, Dodge and Plymouth, GMs, Trans Ams, Chevelles and Camaros, and Shelbys.
It's passion that turned into business. When it comes to the quality of our restorations, we don't cut corners. We do factory original restorations, custom builds, and we take care of the shipping. The only thing you have to do is enjoy the dream.
Customers come here from all over the world to find or create their dream car. Sure enough, we managed to fulfill their wildest dreams. Our inventory of classic and muscle cars is carefully crafted to suit every taste and budget.